has tried to reoffend her and it hasn't worked. So did you have an okay day?
Hey, listen to your story. Daddy knocked me out of the canoe, Jack.
I was in the canoe and I was sitting here.
No.
Climbing in. Whoa!
That's not what happened, Jack. Daddy didn't end up wet, as I recall, and I was soaking wet.
What?
Yeah, if you were in the back, you wouldn't.
If Mommy gets in, do you want to come out some more? Mommy's going to get in the boat.
Do you want me to come in, Annabelle?